Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, it's actually going to be my first video opening a beauty box with you guys, and it's the AllBeauty beauty box, and it's pretty big. So I haven't opened this box. I don't know what's inside, and I've been seriously dying to open it, but I wanted you guys to see my first impressions and let you guys know what I think about the products. So this box is worth £25 and the original price for it is £62. So I'm gonna open the box and see how many products there are in here. It smells like lavender. It smells so good. Okay, so the first thing that I see is this little leaflet explaining everything about the box and what's inside of it and the price. So we have some coupons, yay! We have a lot of products, as you guys can see, and the first one that I wanna have a peek is this one right here, the DECLEOR Paris, a moisturizing body milk. Oh my god, you guys, I seriously needed a body milk. This one is worth £9 and we have 50 mils in here, which is pretty decent. I'm gonna put it on my hands. Feels very light and it smells really nice, but it's not overpowering. This product, this is the GATINEAU. Guys, I cannot pronounce these names, but it is from Paris, so please excuse my pronunciation. Okay, so this is the Perfection Ultimate Anti-Aging Skin Perfector. This product right here is worth $12.90 and we have 15 mils, which is very little. This has a little bit of a scent, but you can't really smell it. Oh my god, and it feels super smooth. Feels really nice. I think it's gonna feel really nice on your face. Next product. This is the Organic Pharmacy Detoxifying Seaweed Bath Soak, and this is a special edition. It's the size of 60 grams and it's worth £10. Oh my god, you know, I've never tried bath soaks. Let me know in the comments below if you're a lover of bath soaks. So I'm very happy because it's gonna be my first time. Let's open it. Oh, it has a very strong scent, like eucalyptus. I'm already loving it because I love that scent, especially when I have like a sore throat or when I can't really breathe properly. So this is a must. Next product, let's pick this one right here. This one is the Generate Original Toothpaste, and this one is worth $2.50 for 14 mils. Let's taste the toothpaste. No difference to any regular toothpaste. A toothpaste always comes in handy, and this is perfect for traveling, so I'm not complaining. This is the Manuka Dr. ApiNourish Overnight Lavender Mask, and this is the full size 50 mils and it's worth $24.99. I am so excited about this product. It's age defining and it says wake up to visible, hydrated, smooth, luminous skin, and it has Manuka honey and floral nectar, which I have no idea, but it sounds good, so I like it already. Cannot wait to try this one. And if you have tried this in the past and if you like it, leave it in the comments below. Right, I'm gonna get this soap. I already love the patterns on it. I wanna eat it. This is the Line and Dandy hand soap with essential oils, and it's from Bomb Cosmetics, and this one costs $2.99 for 100 grams, and I think it's actually a good price. I would pay $2.99 for this. Look at that. It is so pretty. It's handmade. You have cute little patterns in there, and it has essential oils. So we have some fragrance samples. We have the Calvin Klein Obsessed perfume, and we have the Versace Dylan Blue. This is what they look like, and I'm gonna open the Versace first, of course. Perfect for on the go. I I wish you guys were right here so you can smell this. It smells delicious. I am going to buy the full size. Now let's do the Obsessed by Calvin Klein. There we go. This is very nice. I think this is more sort of daytime, more settle. Kind of smells like cotton and I really like it. But I really like this one for the daytime. And I love the Versace one for when you're feeling more sort of glamorous or when you're like going out at nighttime. And the extra product that they say that they always include either a skincare or hair care sachet is this one right here. And this one is the Argan Oil Shampoo from Novex. And this is the #1 seller in Brazil, so it must be really good. It says shiny hair without frizz or split ends. It's salt free. I'm definitely using this. Okay, so we're finished with the box and I really like the box. It has a little bit of everything. Let me know if you guys like this type of videos. I would love to make more from different sort of brands. If you have one sort of beauty box that you would like me to review with you guys and give you my thoughts, leave it in the comments below. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, of course, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah!